Today, we're going to talk about two options for cleaning commercial LVT flooring. First, sweep and remove all the heavy dirt and debris from the surface of the floor. Next, we're going to use a vacuum with a soft attachment so that we don't do damage to the surface of the floor when vacuuming. Get all the fine dust and dirt off the surface of the floor with your vacuum. Then we'll move to the next step, which is going to be using either one of these machines, either the Doodle Scrub with the Unipad or the Tornado BR163. Cleaning the floor is simple. We're going to use the Square Scrub EBG9, and we're going to mix our cleaning solution in a garden sprayer, which I love because it makes it easy to put the cleaning solution exactly where we want it in the amount that's necessary to do a good job of cleaning the floor. Follow the instructions on the label, and next you can see how easy it is to maneuver the Square Scrub Doodle Scrub. This makes it easy to get into tight areas and also break the dirt free from the surface. The next step will be to rinse the floor using a 2-bucket system, both buckets with clean water. We start the rinsing process. Obviously, we're picking up a lot of dirt with that rinsing. So we're going to go to the gray side of the bucket to get rid of the dirt, wring it out, and then we'll go to the blue side to get fresh water in our mop before we go back to the floor to rinse. As you can see, this process does an excellent job. And look at how dirty the water gets. The next option is going to be using the Tornado 16.3 with contra-rotating brushes. Again, I love my garden sprayer because I can put the cleaning solution where I need to. We're going to fill the auto scrubber tank with clean water and then start placing the solution on the floor and allow it to dwell for about 5 minutes. Now, with the contra-rotating brushes, we're going to simply scrub the floor just to break all the dirt loose from the surface of the floor. It's an easy process, and you can cover a lot of ground with this machine. Next, to finish everything, we will now engage the squeegees with the foot lever, turn the vacuum on, and at the top of the machine on the handle is a trigger that releases the rinse water that we put in the tank. We'll do all these things, and you can see how easy the machine works, going forwards or backwards. It will be important once you get the floor clean to make sure that you put caution tape up or cones to prevent people from walking on the wet floor to avoid slipping, tripping, or falling. And as you can see, both machines did an excellent job. In fact, you will find probably most facilities will use a combination of the two machines to do all the necessary cleaning to keep their floor looking the best.